Hi everyone. Welcome to English 101 week 5. I cannot believe that we are almost finished with our course, but you guys are doing really well. I'm so proud of all the progress you've made, and I hope you're excited to do just one more essay assignment and then we will be done. So, your week 4 really focused on revising and editing essay 3 and then incorporating quotations and lyrics from the song you chose to support your writing. Oh, excuse me. So, I wanted to go over some takeaways from week 4, including the difference between revising, which is really more big picture, adding, changing, moving, deleting, and editing, which is more sentence level, very much smaller changes. Both are very important, but I think that distinguishing between the two can really help you in assessing your own writing, but then also helping others with theirs. Oh, excuse me. Then the other item I want you guys to remember is when using quotes and paraphrasing, you need to have the author's name and page number in parentheses whenever you quote or paraphrase, but that these can be a great way to support your writing. They just shouldn't be where you start. So I want you guys to kind of focus on developing your own ideas before you involve the words of someone else in describing what you're discussing. So for this week, we've got 4 major assignments. The readings and reading quiz 5 for this week, I would encourage you to do that early. Those readings will help you in thinking about your essay 4 and in sort of completing the rest of your assignments. You'll have discussion board 5 also due this week, and then the other 2 assignments are related to your essay 4 draft. So what you're going to do by Friday is submit what you have for your draft to the online writing lab. The only thing you have to do is take a screenshot and submit it to show me that you've done that, and then submit your essay 4 draft to me by Sunday. If you'd like to submit your draft to me by Friday as well, that's fine. But I want you to have feedback from the OWL and from me in working on essay 4. The last thing you have for this week is to meet with me one-on-one. So I have probably about 5 of you all signed up to meet with me, so there's still lots of slots available, and I'll be sending out that link with this announcement just to make sure that you have a chance to sign up. And they should be quick, probably 10, 15 minutes tops, just to discuss your idea for essay 4 and any kind of concerns or questions that you have for the end of our course. So let's talk a little bit about essay 4. This is going to be a letter that proposes a change or a continuation of something at SWIC, in your town, or at your job. So there's a few reasons why I choose to do this assignment. By now, we've talked about having an argument, supporting it with examples, utilizing quotes and quotations as support. And this last essay is going to focus on tone, style, and a little bit more of audience and purpose. So in essay 3, we talked a lot about this, the audience of the song that you chose, but also the audience of your writing. And what makes essay 4 unique is that you're writing to one person in particular. And this really helps us practice that skill of understanding who you're writing to and how to change your language to appeal to that audience. So you'll want to watch the TED Talk that's listed for under readings for week 5. It's also linked on the assignment sheet here. Then you're going to think of ideas for your essay. That's going to be the purpose of the discussion board for this week, so I recommend doing that early. And then you're going to want also a visual to sort of support your writing. When you're thinking about formatting a letter, like I said, you're speaking to a person in particular. You're not just sort of writing with your basic, vague academic audience in mind, but I want you to actually envision this specific person. And how can you use your language to appeal to that person and the change you'd like to make? Your style and tone, which is the focus of your readings this week, are key. This is how you use your language, how you use your words, and what words you use to appeal to your audience. The last thing, when you include a visual element, I want you all to think about a visual that isn't just included because you have to, but one that helps with the point you're trying to make. So, for example, if I am advocating that we add a coffee shop to the SWIC Granite City campus, because yes, I might include a picture of the campus map and maybe sort of circle where I think that coffee shop could go, just to show that I have been thinking about the space that the school has, and this is where I think it might be good. Important dates to remember. This week, you want to submit your draft to the OWL by Friday, to me by Sunday, and your final draft will be due next Friday. So this last essay, although we do have this week and week 6 to work on it, week 6 is short. It's only through Friday. So just make sure that you're keeping this in mind. I want you to put like a little star, circle if you got a calendar, mark it in your phone. Next Friday is the end of our course. So make sure that anything you want to turn in is submitted to me by August 7th. Okay? Here it is. Don't forget. I cannot accept late work because I have to get everything graded and turned in for final grades by the following Monday. Okay? So no exceptions. I cannot accept anything late, anything past August 7th. All right? So I'm really excited to chat with you guys in your one-on-one meetings this week. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns via email, and I will talk to you soon.